Hello everyone, welcome back to Module 4. And in Module 4, we're going to talk about social network analysis. Here we're going to discuss the benefits and the limitations of carrying out a social network analysis during any visualization of a network. We shall move further and dive deeper into exploring what social network analysis looks like when we are working with COMO. Then I will take you through how to connect Google Sheets to the COMO. And then for those doing the advanced course, we'll leave you with an assignment. So let's talk about social network analysis. Jones breaks down the understanding of a network into basic components. And there are two basic components when you talk about a network. Those are actors, some people call them nodes, others call them vertices or points. And the second one is the edges. Other people call them arcs, links, or tiles. I'm going to give you a full lecture for Johannes so that you can explore more about this and know what a social network analysis means. When networks are visualized, nodes are typically represented with a circle and lines are used to connect these shapes. Another researcher, Serrat, explores why it is important to think about networks and in particular why we need social network analysis. I quote, "Power no longer resides exclusively in states, institutions, or large corporations. It is located in the networks that structure society. Social network analysis seeks to understand networks and their participants and has two main focuses: the actors and the relationship between them in a specific social context." Serrat's definition of social network analysis is a good place to start. He says, social networks are nodes of individuals, groups, organizations, and related systems that tie in one or more types of interdependencies. These include shared values, visions, and ideas, social constructs, kinships, conflicts, financial exchanges, trade, joint membership in organizations, and group participations in events, among numerous other aspects of human relationships. Here is a link to explain more about Serrat. Let's talk about the benefits of a social network analysis. Researchers note that centrally, measures of a social network analysis can aid techniques of modeling systems dynamics, providing a fast pass at finding effective levers in large system models. And this link will help you understand more about that. The second one, in the business world, social network analysis can create value for businesses by helping them better target customers. Social network analysis is also useful for content mining using machine learning to identify nodes in a complex network. Here is a link for you to read more about that. Finally, social network analysis has been noted to be a valuable tool for examining the connection in crime and terror groups, and you can read more about that here. Briefly, let us jump into some of the limitations of a social network analysis. Social network analysis is not without limitations, such as difficulties with incomplete, inaccurate, and inconsistent data, the dynamic nature of social networks, and defining the boundaries of a network. One limitation identified in the research of Ewa in 2012 relates to grouping actors when there isn't a clear distinction between actors who behave in a similar way. To address this issue, the researcher must outline clear criteria for grouping. The other limitation is individuals may not immediately see or realize the benefits of the research, even when researchers do. For example, Kudashin in 2005 noted that social network analysis for large networks with many connections may be difficult to be visualized due to a limitation of computing power and human brain. You can read more about that with the link provided. With all these resources provided, please take time to deeply read all the resources and have a clear understanding of what social network analysis means, the benefits and the limitations.